In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood's Legend platform on your PC for market analysis and trading. Whether you're new to Robinhood or just looking to get more comfortable with its advanced features, this walkthrough will guide you step by step so you can make the most of your trading experience. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open Robinhood on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look towards the top menu or the main app banner for the option labeled Legend. Click on Legend and give the platform a moment to fully load. Patience here is important, especially if it's your first time opening this feature or if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once Legend has finished loading, your next step is to locate the search bar. Click on it and then type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock, cryptocurrency, ETF, or futures contract you're interested in analyzing or trading. After entering your selection, hit enter and Robinhood will bring up detailed information, including a dynamic price chart for your chosen asset. Now it's time to dive into the chart itself. You'll notice chart icons nearby that allow you to switch between different timeframes, so you can view anything from minutes and days to months, depending on how deep you want your analysis to go. These same icons also let you add or remove technical indicators such as moving averages or relative strength index to help you analyze trends and make more informed decisions. Don't hesitate to explore these icons and adjust the settings as you see fit. You can always reset them later. For those looking to execute trades more precisely, Robinhood Legend includes a feature called the ladder. Find the ladder on your screen and open it up. Here, you'll be able to see a real-time breakdown of bid and ask levels for your selected asset. This visual makes it much easier to spot where the action is happening in the market. If you see a price that suits you, simply click buy or sell at that specific level. Alternatively, if you want more control, you can place custom limit or stop orders directly from this interface, allowing you to set your own price targets for entering or exiting the market. Remember, you're not locked into any one chart layout or set of indicators. At any point, you can adjust the chart's appearance or swap out indicators by clicking on the chart options icons. This flexibility means you can continually tailor your workspace to match your trading strategy and preferences. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can navigate Robinhood's Legend platform to research, analyze, and execute trades confidently from your desktop. Thanks for watching and happy trading.